Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Dexter, an autonomous agent for deep financial research. This project is exploding in popularity because it aims to put the power of a sophisticated AI financial analyst in your hands, capable of uncovering market insights autonomously. We'll explore how it's designed to tackle such a complex and valuable task. What if you could ask a complex financial question and get a data-backed answer, complete with the entire research trail? A new open-source project aims to do exactly that. It's an autonomous AI agent built specifically for deep financial research, and it goes far beyond simple data retrieval. That project is called Dexter, developed by virattt. It's an autonomous AI agent designed to handle the complex, time-consuming work of deep financial research. It automates the whole manual process, gathering, integrating, and analyzing data from many different sources. The project's traction is already significant, with over 22,000 stars and more than 400 added just today. This kind of rapid growth, along with nearly 3,000 forks, shows a real hunger among developers for these kinds of specialized AI agents. So, what is the core problem Dexter is trying to solve? It's the sheer inefficiency of traditional financial research. Analysts, investors, and journalists spend countless hours manually collecting data from income statements, balance sheets, and market reports. This process isn't just tedious, it's also prone to human error. Think about the old workflow, juggling countless browser tabs and spreadsheets. This is where Dexter's unique angle comes in. It's autonomous. It doesn't just execute a command. Instead, it takes a high-level question, formulates a multi-step research plan, and then executes that plan. It functions less like a script and more like a junior analyst. So, how does it actually work? Dexter's design is built around a cognitive architecture that mimics human reasoning, often called a think-act loop. When a query comes in, the agent first thinks, creating a plan. Then, it acts by selecting a tool, maybe an API to fetch a company's financial statements. Finally, it observes the result and logs everything to a file called the scratchpad. This scratchpad serves as the agent's short-term memory. It's a transparent log of every thought and action. The whole process repeats until the original question is fully answered. Think of it like a detective building a case, gathering evidence, taking meticulous notes, and deciding what to do next based on the latest discovery. Under the hood, the technical stack is very modern, using TypeScript on the high-performance Bun runtime. But what's really crucial is that Dexter combines this short-term scratchpad with a long-term memory system using vector embeddings. This allows the agent to recall past research, so it can learn and improve over time, making it a true research partner. So, who is this for in the real world? Dexter serves a pretty specialized audience. Financial analysts can use it to automate the grunt work of due diligence, which frees them up to focus on high-level strategy. Quantitative researchers can integrate it into their workflows to automatically gather and pre-process data for their models. And for sophisticated individual investors, it offers a way to perform institutional-grade research without an institutional budget. The barrier to entry for developers is also quite low, requiring just a few terminal commands and some API keys. But for non-technical users, the integrated WhatsApp gateway is a real standout feature, making complex financial analysis as simple as sending a text. Of course, despite its innovative design, Dexter does face some significant challenges. First, its intelligence is heavily dependent on the underlying large language model and the quality of its prompts. This makes it vulnerable to what's known as prompt brittleness, where a simple model update could break its reasoning. Second, each query triggers multiple API calls. This can lead to issues with both cost and latency, making it less suitable for real-time applications. And most importantly, the risk of model hallucination is always there. In finance, an agent misinterpreting a single critical figure could lead to disastrous conclusions. The stakes are incredibly high. Ultimately, Dexter is more than just a research tool. It's a blueprint for the future of domain-specific autonomous agents. It points toward a future where AI assistants are not just generalists. Instead, they are transparent, auditable specialists that can augment professional expertise in high-stakes fields like finance.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.